are the contributions that I as an individual put into my TSP, are they tax deductible, or even interestingly, if I'm in the uniformed service and I happen to be deployed in an area where it's a tax-free zone,
yes.
like how does that work too?
That's a very important question. Like they say, you can't escape death and taxes, and so that's maybe a gloomy way to look at it. But on the bright side, the government wants you to save for retirement, and that's true whether you're talking about the TSP or an IRA or other retirement savings vehicles. So the government says, we will give you a tax break if you participate in one of these plans. The question is, do I take that tax break now or do I take it in the future? So when you hear traditional versus Roth, that's really just, do I want a tax break today or do I want a tax break in the future when I'm withdrawing from this account? Traditional says, give me the tax break today, so you'll have more in your paycheck today, but when you go to withdraw in retirement, you will pay taxes on that money. Roth says the opposite. I don't need a tax break today, but when I go to withdraw, all of that will be tax-free, assuming you play by the rules associated with retirement savings. So that's really the trade-off: tax break now or tax break later. You also mentioned an important consideration for military members, which is the combat zone tax exclusion, and that's a special category that really only applies to military folks who've deployed to certain locations, but that's a separate bucket of money that will never be taxed. And so that's kind of its own category, and the TSP makes sure that we handle it correctly for you.
Oh, so they just put it in a separate bucket, so to speak?
Exactly. Yeah. And for that reason, your uniformed services account is specially designed to reflect that. So
connect with the benefits you earned and deserve. Visit news.va.gov for current events, sign up for the Vet Resources e-newsletter, subscribe on YouTube for content like theSITREP and VR5, or follow VA on social media. Visit the video description below and get connected today.